So this is your first ever look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Before sharing more details, don't forget to check out this amazing design from MD Watch Faces that is available for giveaway. Okay, just yesterday only shared first ever official renders of upcoming Galaxy Watch 6. This was the classic model, and finally we can see the comeback of rotating mechanical bezel. One thing I have noticed that the design is strikingly similar to Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. If you compare them side by side, there is barely any difference. This is the only color that has been shown so far from on leaks. I think there will be another color, maybe a silver one like Galaxy Watch 4. To be honest, I was a bit disappointed to see this, as I was at least expecting a new classy design from Samsung. They just copied the Galaxy Watch 4 design and used a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro D-shaped buckle strap to make the next Galaxy Watch. As of now, there is no information of any technical specification, but according to trusted sources, Samsung is going to use a new processor this time. That will be Exynos W980, and at least 2GB of RAM will be there with this smartwatch that will power upcoming One UI 5 with Wear OS 4. What are your thoughts on this design? Do share your feedback in the comment section. Okay, now talking about the watch face, this is MD321 available on Google Play Store. It has this awesome informative display where our time is highlighted at the top, while rest of the information is present here, including our steps, sunset, sunrise, and weather data with heart rate monitor. On this side we have a cool looking design for day and date with battery percentage in a circular dial. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of different colors with this watch face. Like first you can change the color of information highlighted in the background. Next you can change the color of time, then seconds, date, and then battery strip present here. And then you can also change color of heart rate interval and more. So try it out. This is an amazing design from MD Watch Faces that is easy to check out. Free coupons for this watch face are available. Just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.